Okay, here we are. We got our piece we just made. Here's our piece we just made on the brake. This is going to cap this garage door jamb. This back leg I have on because when it comes out past the framing of the building, I need this. But behind here, I'm going to cut this off and eliminate it. So let's see how our piece works. First thing I'm going to do is cut this chunk off. I'm going to use this wall here. It's so convenient. I'm going to take my knife, cut that back leg off right away. I'm collapsing the score I just made. Here's my piece. Okay, it looks like it's going to fit pretty good. Could be a little smaller, but that's okay. I have room on this door. This door is away and back. So this can have a little bit of room this way. So it looks like our piece is good. We're going to go ahead and make the full-size piece. Here's a good example of that burr I talk about. That burr is still on there. It's right here. Thing called it's a burr. Take that burr off with this knife, like this. I'll just remove half of the burr. That burr wants to hold on. See how that wants to hold on? Now this bottom half, it's removed. It comes off. This is an easy step that saves energy later on in the day when you're running out. That burr is removed. Just one more thing to make my day and job easier. Now we're going to go back over to the brake and we're going to make a full-size piece that we need for this.